Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Moments, the place where we turn small moments into big improvements for your English fluency. I'm Emily.
And I'm John. It's great to see you all again.
So, John, let me ask you a question. When you meet someone for the first time, or even see a friend, what is the first thing you usually say after hello?
Usually I just say, "How are you?"
Exactly. And there is nothing wrong with that. It is grammatically correct, but it can sound a little bit robotic if you say it every single time.
I know what you mean. Sometimes I want to sound more casual, more like a native speaker, but I get stuck using the same old phrase.
Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, we are going to learn 10 natural ways to say, "How are you?" We will look at casual phrases, professional phrases, and slang.
By the end of this video, you won't just be asking, "How are you?" You'll be sounding like a local. Let's get started.
All right, let's start with the most common alternatives. These are phrases you can use with friends, coworkers, or neighbors. They are friendly and relaxed.
The first one is a classic. How's it going?
Yes, how's it going? Usage is almost identical to how are you, but it flows much better. Note the pronunciation. We don't say, how is it going? We smash it together. How's it going?
How's it going?
Perfect. Let's try a quick role play. I see you at the coffee shop. Hey, good to see you. How's it going?
It's going well. Just grabbing a coffee. How about you?
Pretty good, thanks. See? Simple. Another very similar one is, how are you doing?
But be careful with the answer, right? If someone asks, "How are you doing?" you shouldn't just say, "I am doing."
Right. You can say, I'm doing well, I'm doing good, or just good. Let's try that one. Hey, John, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thanks. And you?
I'm doing well. Now, let's move to a slightly more casual category. These are the questions that start with what.
Oh, like what's up?
Exactly. What's up is iconic, but here is the secret. The answer to what's up is not I'm fine.
Really? So if you ask me what's up and I say I'm fine, that's wrong?
It's not wrong, but it sounds strange. What's up asks about your activity or the news, so the answer should be not much, nothing new, or you tell them what you are doing.
Got it. Let's practice.
Hey, what's up?
Not much, just filming this video. What's up with you?
Same old, same old. Same old means nothing has changed. Another great one in this category is what's new.
This is a good one if you haven't seen the person in a few weeks. You want to know if anything changed in their life.
Let's try it. Hi, long time no see. What's new?
Oh, actually a lot. I just bought a new car.
Wow, congratulations. Sometimes you want to ask a deeper question. You don't just want to know about this moment. You want to know about their general life.
I like the phrase, "How's life treating you?"
That is a beautiful phrase. How is life treating you? It sounds very caring. It gives the other person a chance to complain a little bit or share good news.
Let's try. Hey there, I haven't seen you in ages. How's life treating you?
You know, it's treating me pretty well. Work is busy, but I can't complain.
That's good to hear.
Another one for when you haven't seen someone in a long time is, how have you been? Note the grammar, present perfect.
This means from the last time we met until now, so I answer with I have been.
You can, but usually we shorten it. How have you been? Good. Or busy. Hey, how have you been?
I've been really busy lately, actually, but good.
Okay, are you ready for the really short ones? These are for your close friends or text messages.
I'm ready.
The first one is very British, but Americans use it too. It's just, you all right? Or, you good?
That sounds like a statement, not a question.
It is intonation. If my voice goes up, you good? It means, are you okay? Or, how are you? Yo, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. You?
Yeah, all good.
That was fast.
That's the point. It's for quick interactions. Another fun slang phrase is, what's crackin'? Or, what's good?
What's cracking sounds funny.
It is very informal. Only use this with close friends. Wow, we covered a lot today. Let's do a quick review for our viewers.
Okay, I'll list the situation and you give me the phrase. Situation 1, you meet a coworker at the water cooler. Casual but polite.
I would say, how's it going? Or, how are things?
Situation 2, you meet your best friend at a party.
I'd say, what's up? Or, what's new?
Situation 3, you meet an old friend you haven't seen in 1 year.
Definitely. How have you been? Or, how is life treating you?
Perfect.
And there you have it. You now have a toolkit full of natural ways to greet people. You don't have to delete how are you from your brain, but try to mix it up.
Choose one phrase from this video and try to use it tomorrow. Let us know in the comments which phrase is your favorite.
If you enjoyed this Learn English moment, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more lessons for you.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next moment.